This is the Asian session review for Thursday, the 27th of August, 2026. Interesting to see on the open today, we got another gap up. And to be honest, I was looking for a bounce sell of the lower value line to come down. We had a little bit of liquidity here and the previous day's low sitting down here, but was patient. This could have been a signal, but very, very early in the day. So with those ones, it's best to look to have a sell stop at the low of that candle. There's only 15 minutes into the day, really. So you can do with that as you may. And then this enticed me a little bit. We saw this push very nicely straight up through the lower value line and potential to go up to the point of control or the pivot. But entering way up here away from the zone was not my favorite idea. So I decided just to be a little bit patient and just see how price played out. And we could see it just getting supported well above the low value line. We were sort of having mixed signals coming in through here, but finally we got this up zero candle, which had a sweep of the previous candle's low. And so I was only able to get one position on here and could have added on this candle, but we were sort of coming into the high of the day. So I didn't, and just decided to hold that position, and pretty much both, if we go down to a 1 minute chart, which I don't trade off, but it's good to see where the exits were. First position off at 0.75, just an automatic one, move stop to break even. And then coming into the point of control zone, I exited the rest of the position up there. So that was pretty much the only position that I took on. It was nice, quick, directional trade once it got moving, if you survived all of this. And then I don't trade point of control or pivot lines because it is an area of value, but there was a nice bounce back down to the lower value line and then a bounce trade. So this was more of a push through the line, and then this was a really clear bounce because we were already down candle 4 coming through. So we were a little bit exhausted coming through there. That was coming into this was the Singapore Shanghai Open. That was an up one, but very far away if you had to enter there. But coming around this sort of bounce area would have been another nice bounce that made it not quite up to the upper value line, but once again, we're going value to value, and now we're formed this sort of M pattern now and coming back down. But I only trade Asia, so that was the one trade for today.